When our child has a cut, our first instinct is to often reach for a Band-Aid. It's a quick fix, but what about when the problem isn't as visible as a scrape, like teeth grinding? Many of us are looking for that Band-Aid solution. For grinding, that Band-Aid often comes in the form of a night guard. It protects the teeth, sure. Teeth grinding can be caused by stress, an abnormal bite, or sleep disorders like sleep apnea. The night guard is just on the surface. Healing often comes from looking at the whole picture. Comment HEAL to learn about how to address this from the root cause.